You don't need 10-step skincare routine in order to cure hyperpigmentation, and you definitely do not need to have millions in your account. All you need is one single product. If this sounds like what you are here for, please hit the like button and continue watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys what hyperpigmentation is and the products you can use to treat hyperpigmentation, the proper skincare routine to follow, and how to ensure that you are getting effective results from this particular product. So first thing first, what is hyperpigmentation? It's a common condition that causes some areas of your skin to be darker than the other. There are different types of hyperpigmentation, but in this video, we are going to be talking about PIH, which is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which we all know as dark spots. It is mostly caused by, when you treat an acne or pimples and it's gone, it leaves like a dark mark on your face that it's so hard to get rid of. So we are talking about that kind of hyperpigmentation today, which is known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So we are going to be shining the light on Faded by Topicals today. Reasons why you need to get this product if you are dealing with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation like me, or dark spots, or perhaps you have areas in your body that are darker than the other. You can still use this particular product to get rid of it and see reasons why this product is effective. So first thing first, if you are dealing with hyperpigmentation, if yours is caused by acne, which most time it is, so I would advise that you treat your acne before you treat your hyperpigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, use this particular product from Topicals. This contains cocktail of skincare ingredients. And what do I mean by cocktail of skincare ingredients? For example, if you are treating hyperpigmentation, if you are somebody that has been quite curious about your skin, you would have been seeing products that say, oh, they are natural skin lighteners like kojic acid, tranexamic acid, niacinamide. You see those products, and you also see serums that they contain like each particular ingredient. Like you see a niacinamide serum, the way you see a kojic acid serum or a kojic acid cream. So reason why this particular product Faded by Topicals is better is because this product contains all of the skincare ingredients you need. So instead of you buying, say, kojic acid serum separately, niacinamide serum separately, tranexamic acid serum separately, which can cost you a lot of money. And on here we are all about budget costs. We don't want to be spending millions of money treating our skin. You can do skincare on budget. For example, this product contains kojic acid, which is a natural skin lightener. And when I say skin lightener, I don't mean skin whitening. If you don't understand the difference, you can go and watch my video on here where I talk about the differences between skin lightening, skin brightening, and skin whitening. So this contains kojic acid, it contains tranexamic acid, it contains melatonin, it contains niacinamide, lycuride root, and azelaic acid. And the function of all these skincare ingredients is to lighten your skin, like lighten that particular area that is dark. Don't get me wrong, this product is not the one that you use that you have like face of Coke and body of Fanta, or face of Fanta, body of Coke. It only lightens the area where you have dark spots. This is not the type of product that you will use that you have blemishes or uneven skin tone. And it is not limited to this particular product. If you are using tyrosinase inhibitors and brands that formulate their product well, you have no reasons to have uneven skin tone. Particular product contains all of the tyrosinase, all of the skincare ingredients you are going to need in one product. Reason why I'm plugging you guys to this particular product is because although it might seem expensive, because currently I think this 30 mil is sold for like 30 something K in Nigeria. And I see you guys shouting, wow, I cannot afford it in the comment section. But let me break it down for you. Okay, now say there's this product does not exist, and then you have to, when you Google or you research about how to take care of hyperpigmentation, you see people talking about, oh, get the ordinary niacinamide, oh, get inky list tranexamic acid, or get natrium tranexamic. All these products, they contain like each ingredients that you're going to get in this particular product. And let me tell you, they are also equally expensive. So imagine getting the ordinary niacinamide for 85, getting inky list tranexamic acid for 11 something, getting natrium azelaic acid for 11 something. That's already equivalent to like 30 something. And you're going to have to like buy those products like one by one. In order to save you money, you need to like buy this product, and it lasts a long while because you only need a pea size amount. So here is how I use mine in a routine. I'm going to try to like add a video of where I'm using this product. All you need to do is like cleanse your face with a non-active cleanser. What I mean by non-active cleanser, it does not contain any active, maybe like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, glycolic or anything. Use a non-active cleanser, wash your face. If you have a toner or an essence, you can use that. Let that dry down, and then you follow up with a pea size amount, like just a tiny bit of this serum, and you use it on your face. You can either pat it in or rub it in, whichever way you're comfortable with. Do that. Use your moisturizer and then follow up with a sunscreen. That is very, very important if you are using it during the daytime. If you are using it at night, you do not need sunscreen. You can skip that altogether. Best way to get effective results from this product is to use it, I would say, every single day. But then you don't have to like start at once. If you're a first timer, the first thing to do is to patch test and see how this product works on your skin, how your skin reacts to this product. So you can patch test by either putting it on your forearm, the back of your hair, or anything. Patch test and watch for like 3 days. If nothing happens, you can use it on your face. And then introduce it slowly. Like, what do I mean by slowly? Like, use it like maybe like twice a week. See how your skin reacts to it. Then from there, if nothing happens, then you can increase the frequency. You can increase the frequency of how you use this product. So you can then increase it to like twice a week, 4 times a week, to every single day. But the best way you can get effective results from this product is by using it every single day. And I'll say best time at night, so that when you forget sunscreen, you are not getting photosensitivity. But then, if you want to treat hyperpigmentation, I beg you in the name of God, do not skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is your best friend, because anything you are using that you're not using sunscreen, it's a waste of time. It's a waste of time. So you use sunscreen. Coming from somebody that has always battled with hyperpigmentation, because I have acne prone skin, and you know the result of treating acne is hyperpigmentation. Like, you just cannot live without it. Once acne is gone, it leaves scars, it leaves hyperpigmentation, and you also need treatment. You need this treatment in your routine. Personal review of this product. I've gotten it since June. I've been using it since June, but not quite well. I've been using it like once a week since June up until this month. And the reason why I started using it frequently was because my esthetician told me that the only way I could get best results from this product is by using it every single day. If not every single day, at least maybe like 4 times a week, because my skin needs to be constantly introduced to tyrosine inhibitors, because I am dealing with hyperpigmentation, and hyperpigmentation is hard to cure. Let me just put it out there. If you're using this product, do not expect magic. There's no there's no safe product out there that will give you 7 days results. Don't get me wrong, there's no safe products out there that will give you that you start seeing results after 7 days. The fastest you can see results is in, I wouldn't even say 2 weeks, but let's say 2 weeks. Because 2 weeks is even too soon. So the fastest way you can see results, and not like it's just like tiny results in 2 weeks, because this product, you have to like use it constantly. Takes consistency and patience. So if you want to treat hyperpigmentation, you need patience and consistency. Do not expect fast results from any product, including Faded by Topicals. See, there are a lot of hyperpigmentation out a product out there, and but this one that I'm currently using, I've been seeing effective results because I like terrible hyperpigmentation around here, and I've had products that have worked. Don't get me wrong, this is not like, I wouldn't say this is okay in my opinion with products I have tried the best, but then I've also tried natrium tranexamic acid actually really worked for me. I think I've made a review about that particular product, but this is what is currently in my stash. And this one also contains more tyrosinase inhibitors than natrium tranexamic acid, which is why I love it. I think natrium tranexamic acid only has tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and like corazoate, but this one has like about six or more tyrosinase inhibitors. Like you can see here, tranexamic acid, kojic acid, melatonin, niacinamide, lycorize with azelaic acid, which are all great. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried this particular product. How has it worked for you? Is it working? Do you have any issues? Meet me in the comment section. And if you like videos like this, do not forget to subscribe and watch all of my other videos that I'm going to link right now on the screen. Bye. See you in my next.